Welcome back to my channel. These lights are making me blind, so if I'm like this for a second, that's why. So today we have a really special video because like a month ago I got this bad boy and I literally haven't been able to use it. Like, I just haven't used it and I want to use it. And like 2 days ago I got this and this. So bitch, today is gonna be a Jeffree Star day. So if you don't like Jeffree Star and you don't like his products, I am so sorry, but I do. And every time he comes with something new, I'm gonna buy it, okay? So if you really don't like that, sorry. So I'm gonna prime my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I primed my eyes, I actually primed them with a ColourPop concealer instead of the Jeffree one because I really want to test the Jeffree one on my face instead of my eyes. And by the way, if there's a little noisy noise, I have a construction going on right outside my window. So that's just great. So we're just gonna ignore that. We're gonna move on. And that's it, okay? So obviously we're gonna be using the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Obviously, that's why we're here. I don't know where I'm going with this, but I'm gonna take the color Flourishing, this one right here, with a Morphe M506, and I'm gonna put that all over my crease. And that's a really like teal color that I've never used a color like that, so let's see how that goes. So now I'm gonna take the color Blue Blood, this one right here, and I'm gonna grab a Morphe M456 and I'm gonna put this above this color. So now above this color, I'm gonna put the color I'm Cold and Minty. Mix together these two holes right here, and I'm gonna mix them together and see how that looks. Now I'm gonna grab the same color we used first, the color Flourishing, with the same brush, and I'm gonna deepen that part, and I'm gonna bring it a little bit more up so that color shows a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna grab Blue Blood again and blend that one more time. And again, I'm gonna grab I'm Cold and Minty and blend that again. So I wanna darken this a little bit more, so I'm gonna mix Flourishing, this color right here, and Undertaker, this one right here. So I have a little bit more of a shadow in my eye because that's what I want, and I'm gonna do whatever I want. Okay, so I ended up taking Flourishing again and like putting it more here so like it blends with the darker color right here, and I think it looks so much better right now. And by the way, blue eyeshadow is really hard to blend, and these haven't given me any work at all. Like, they have been really easy to work with. I'm really glad about that. I don't know what to do right now, honestly. I don't know if I should cut the crease. What? I should, right? Probably should. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna cut the crease using the Jeffree Star Drug Lord Velour liquid lipstick and a Morphe M224 brush. And that's what I'm gonna do. This looks cute. Obviously, like, it's kind of blue on the top, but that's okay because we don't care. We are good with that. So what I'm gonna do now is that I want to reinforce the color Flourishing on top of the cut crease. So I'm gonna do that now, and I think I'm also gonna use Undertaker a little bit on the edge. I'm just gonna keep layering the colors because that's the trick of keeping your eyeshadow popping, bitch. I really want to use some of the shimmers, even though it looks good like this, but I just want to try out more. So I'm gonna use the color Entitled on the outer edge right here, and then I'm gonna mix it I think with Crystal Flesh. Oh my god, this is hard. Crystal Flesh right here, and I'm gonna take that to the inner corner and mix it around. I want to see how that looks. If that doesn't work, I might do some changes. So let's try it out. To apply those colors, I'm gonna use the Sigma F70 brush. I think this is gonna pick up the color much better. So let's try it out. Oh my lord. I was not expecting that. Like, it's literally like a cream. Oh my god. That's literally metallic. Oh my god. I really want to try the color Ocean Ice, this one right here. So I think I might just pop that color right where this blue meets the other one, like right here. So I think I'm gonna do that like right now. I'm gonna do it with the same brush. I'm really putting a little bit. It's subtle, but it looks really good. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe up my face and put my foundation on so we can try out the concealer, and then we will finish up the ice. So I'll be right back. For foundation, I used the Marc Jacobs Genius Gel because I didn't want anything heavy on my face, and this one's really good for that. By the way, so sorry if my foundation looks actually orange. That's because I'm like pale right now, like Casper, like paper, and it doesn't match me, so that's fun. But right now I'm really excited because we're gonna get to try the concealer. I'm so excited. First of all, packaging, amazing, genius, beautiful. And at first I was so scared about the shade that I got. I got C7 and I didn't know if it was gonna match me, but yes, because it's lighter than what I thought, and I used it under my eyes. And at first I thought it was gonna be like really yellow and like orange on me, but no, it's actually perfect. So let's try this bad boy out. And by the way, there's a lot of product on the applicator. Like, look at that, that's a lot of product, and I love this applicator because it's gonna get all the way on my eye, and that's what I need. So I think I'm gonna wipe this a little bit off because I don't want something super, not full coverage, but like, I'm scared. I just want to try it out. If not, I will put more. So I'm gonna put a little bit under my eyes. This color is actually perfect for me, to be completely honest. So I'm just gonna do that right now like this. I'm so scared. Like, you guys don't get it. So I'm gonna use the beauty blender to blend this out. Okay, I think the color is perfect because obviously it's gonna brighten up even more with the powder, but I think I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead and on my chin, but like literally like that. That's it. It really spreads out a lot, so a little bit goes a long way. It looks pretty good, I might say. I really like it. It has like a luminous feel to it. Like you can see it's like kind of like shining. It's not completely matte, and I like that. I don't mind that because I have dry skin. But now it's time to try the powder to see how everything works together. I got the color Fair because the color Translucent was actually like cocaine white, and it smells like cotton candy, which is really nice. It's not strong. I hate strong smells. It's really subtle, which I like. So I'm gonna dump a little bit on the cap, like, yeah, like that. Probably, I think that's good for now. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna dunk it in like that and put it underneath my eyes. I'm gonna wipe it off right away because I actually don't like baking that much since I have dry skin. Like for me, just setting it like that, it works just fine. And my under eyes feel actually kind of insane. Oh my god, they feel so smooth. It's crazy how smooth they feel. But I'm gonna do the other eye. And the smell is not overwhelming at all. Like it goes away, but it's sweet, so it's not like rose, which I fucking hate the smell of rose in a product. I don't know why, it just smells like old lady to me, and I just don't like that. So I'm gonna do my brows real quick and I'll be back to finish the eyes. So now for the bottom lash line, I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did on top, like the same colors. So there's no need for me to tell you which colors are they because you already know. So let's do that. Okay, for the inner corner, I might just do Cullinan, I don't know how to pronounce that. This one right there, and that's it. I might mix it with Crystal Flesh, but I don't know yet. Just want to see how this looks on its own. For lashes, I'm gonna use the Lily lashes in the style Miami, and I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara and pop the eyelashes on. Now that I'm done with my lashes, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face, meaning blush and contour and bronzing and all that, and I'll come back for the highlight because I really want to focus this video on the Jeffree products. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now for highlight, I'm gonna mix Cullinan with Crystal Flesh. Those are the two light shimmers that we use on the eyes because I feel like it's gonna look so pretty. Oh my god. What the fuck? That looks so good. Like, crazy how good it looks. This looks so good. I'm gonna put it on the tip of my nose as well. Oh my god. I put way too much, but it's okay. And on my Cupid's bow. I'm obsessed. For lips, I'm just gonna apply the Dose of Colors X Katie X Desi The Most lip gloss, because I feel it's gonna look good. And I was right. Let me fix my hair and I'll see you again. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It actually looks so beautiful. I don't have the words. If you like blue eyeshadow, I would honestly recommend to get the Blue Blood palette because it's really good. Formula is really good. Price point is really good. Comparing it to, I mean, it's kind of expensive, okay? I'm gonna be real with you. It's kind of expensive, but you're also paying for the packaging and it's really good. About the concealer and the powder, I really do recommend them too. I obviously haven't tried them outside, but I feel like they're gonna hold up pretty well. And the powder, it's pretty good. Like, I don't know, I feel like my face looks beautiful. I don't know why, but it looks good. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to see more of my beautiful face and my disgusting hair. So I'll see you in another video, okay? Bye, bitches.